Alright, here's how you can add an email account using IMAP settings. If you're trying to set up your work, business, or custom domain email in the Outlook app, I gotcha. Launch the Outlook app on iPhone. Start with Add Account. Otherwise, to add another account, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner and tap on the Add Mail icon with the plus sign. Select Add Email Account. Please enter your work or personal email address. Continue on the next screen. First is email address. Verify that you want to signing in. Enter the display name and description to easily identify and switch between accounts on your iPhone Outlook app. Under the IMAP Incoming Mail server, enter your IMAP hostname. The default hostname is mail.yourdomain.com. If your domain is using a third-party service like Cloudflare or QuickCloud, then ask your email client support for the IMAP server hostname. For me, my server address is server32.hostwhitelabel.com. The default SSL port is 993. For non-SSL use, it's 143, as you are showing in the port details on the video screen. Under the IMAP username, keep your email address auto-filled, then enter your mail account login password. Now the second part is fill the SMTP Outgoing Mail server details. First, enter the SMTP hostname. For me, it's the same server, server32.hostwhitelabel.com. But for you, identify the domain setup as discussed earlier in the tutorial for IMAP hostname. Use default format, mail.yourdomain.com. Next is the SMTP port number. Enter the correct port number for SSL and non-SSL setups. Use 465 for the SSL SMTP port and 26 for the non-SSL port. Next is to enter the SMTP username, that's the same as your email address, and your SMTP password is your mail account password. Please proceed to sign in with the provided details and allow a few seconds for the process to complete. As you can see, the IMAP account is signed in with the Outlook app. The Microsoft Outlook app makes it simple to use and switch between accounts. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for new updates on free tech guide videos.